If you've ever wanted to add a little movement and personality to your digital content, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to create your own animated GIFs inside Canva, quickly, easily, and without needing any design experience. These little looping visuals are perfect for spicing up presentations, social media posts, marketing materials, or even personal projects. And the best part, the whole process is incredibly beginner friendly. Let's jump right in. Start by heading over to your Canva dashboard. If you already have it open, awesome. If not, just log in and pull up the design you want to animate. You can work with an existing project or create a fresh new document, depending on what you have in mind. And if you're brand new to Canva, no worries. Just search for Canva in your browser and the official site will be the first thing you see. Once your design is open, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see the Elements tab. This is basically your creative toolbox. Inside, you'll find graphics, shapes, photos, icons, and a huge collection of animated stickers and motion-ready elements. This is where the fun really begins. Use the search bar within the Elements section to find whatever fits your idea. Want something playful? Try searching animated stickers. Want something more professional? Try keywords like animated arrows, motion lines, or moving icons. Browse around and click on any animated element you like to instantly add it to your design. You can resize, rotate, layer, or combine multiple animations until everything feels just right. Take your time here. This is where your GIF really comes to life. After your design looks exactly the way you want, it's time to export it as a GIF. Go to the upper right corner of Canva and hit the share button. A drop-down will appear. Click on download. Here's the important part. Change the file type to GIF. This tells Canva to preserve all those animations instead of exporting a static image. If your document has more than one page, make sure you're only selecting the page or pages you want to export. Once everything looks correct, press download and Canva will process your animated creation. In just a moment, you'll have a fully looping GIF you can use anywhere. Presentations, emails, social posts, or even just for fun, and that's all it takes. With just a few clicks, you've created your own animated GIF in Canva. It's simple, it's fast, and once you start experimenting with all the motion graphics Canva offers, you'll be surprised at how creative you can get. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this walkthrough inspires you to keep exploring and building your design skills. Have fun creating, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.